All right, I just got on the machine, man. I got into the last $4, and I got 2 cents left, and I hit $4 and got the bonus. So I got 20, 40, 60, 80. I don't know how to count that good, but 20, 20, 120 plus 80, $200 already. And I got 15 to get the grand. The grand is 2,000. The major is 400, minus 100, then it's $25. I just got on this joker, man. I'm ready. Hopefully it's my night. I don't know what all that do to my first time with playing it. I got the minute, $25. So, my first time ever playing it, man. Something told me to stop and play something different. It's a new machine, whatever that word is. I don't know the name. Hepatitis, cash eruption. Man, I hope it get me good, because I really need it. Because I had been losing. I want $60 just fall in, $60. Another $60. Because I've been losing, man. Not losing, but the money I win one week, I'll lose it the next week. Oh, 1,000. That's 1,000, y'all. 1,000 or 100. I bet it's 1,000. 100.00. I don't know. Let me see. 60. 60.00. 100.00. That might be $100. Man, it look 1,000 though. That might be 100 though. We'll see in the end. Come on, thing. Keep doing good. One spin left. Come on. Save me. Oh, save me. Another 100. 100.00. Yeah, that might be 100. That might be 100. I don't know if that's $1,000. That might be 100. Because it's 1 cent machine. Now, if it was a dollar machine, that'd be 1,000. So that's 100. We good with that though. That's a $40 bill. It just fell in. So if I collect all, I get the $2,000 grand plus what on the screen. Oh, I got the minor for 100. I got the minor for 100. And then the thing is, the seat ain't even hot, so ain't nobody been sitting here. That's normal. I can tell when somebody's sitting on the machine. Alright, we finna see what it is all together. $625. $625. Last bit, look, 2 cent credit. My last freaking bit, dog, $4. I put 20 in here and I was playing 160. I was playing 160. Then I got out to the last $4. I just said $4 and get up out of here. So if you get all of them, you get 4,000 on the heads. Man, $625, man, I'm happy. $625, look. So what I want, $625. That's what credit is, $625.02, 2 cents, last $4. Man, I'm finna get up out of here, y'all. I'm too excited. Man, I'm finna go for real, y'all. I'm too excited. I got my money back from last 2 weeks. Well, last 2 weeks ago, I had won probably about 800, and I left 400 here. I hate losing. I hate leaving the money in the casino. That's what I be saying. I hate when I'm leaving $400. I won 8, left 400, came back 2 days later. I won the 400. Last night, I lost 200. So I just hate losing the bet.